Hello, today I'm going to talk about how to write a screenplay. So there's a couple of schools of thoughts. I'm going to tell you the way that I start writing a screenplay. I come up with an idea, come up with a story that I want and I care about because I'm probably going to spend somewhere between 2 to 4 months writing a screenplay. Then I just start writing. I write every single day until the screenplay is done. And that's one of the hardest things, I think, for anybody. You can read books on, what kind of form and when you got to get to plot point 1 and all these various parts and forms of the screenplay, and that's important. However, the tenacity to sit down and write a screenplay is actually is the hardest part. Is because you're like, I'm going to take the day off, and then you take tomorrow off, then you take a week and month off, and then years goes by and you haven't done anything. So if you are a writer, if you write screenplays or want to be a screenplay writer, you need to write every single day, regardless of what you're doing. You don't take days off when you're creative and when you make art. And that's just my approach to it, is I sit down, I write every day. Then when I go back and do the rewrites, I write every day on that until the screenplay is finished, until it's done. And then of course, usually when I go into pre-production, you may work on the script a little bit more and tweak it for whatever reasons. And there are even times when you tweak the screenplay even when you're on set as well. So those are the things that I think are the most important part about writing a screenplay. Have an idea, then write every single day until that screenplay is done. And if you do that, you're a screenwriter. As always, rock and roll, of course, it does compute. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel because that would totally compute. Yeah.